Just really want to thank you all for your time and participation and continued effort, really up until the last few minutes. That's not always the case. You have some attrition, and we certainly did, and it's understandable because some of you flew from very far away. And traffic is bad in DC, but we really did have great attritions or great retention, and so I just really appreciate, and we really appreciate all the work that you did. So I don't need to keep you, but Marilyn does have some last thoughts, because I'm sure as you all want to know exactly what we're sort of thinking about in terms of next steps, and so Marilyn can talk us a little bit more about the next steps, the concrete next steps, but that also making sure that when you get this information about your participation today, that you also feel free to use this in a way that's useful for your own organizations, and the National Academies will have, and our work will have some concrete next steps going forward. So I'll turn it over to Marilyn. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And as promised, this will be very quick. We just wanted you to know that the collaborative is going to take some concrete next steps. You will be getting the proceedings in brief. They will not proactively ask you for your feedback on that, but if you do see something missing, they do welcome your feedback on it if you would like to give that. You also have that tool that you've been using today as a Word document attachment. You are encouraged to go ahead and complete that as you would like to. If you do have some added information that you want to put in there, they will be looking at that. The collaborative will take all of this information, all of this output, and they will be synthesizing it. Each collaborative decides how they're going to socialize that next. So there's, they may be getting back to you with that plan. So that is something that will be up to them, but they will definitely be taking in this input and moving forward with a research agenda based on today. Huge appreciation for the amount of work that you've put in and for the willingness to be out there more open source. It's definitely a new age and a new era, and one that's very encouraging and exciting. So I really look forward to all of us marching forward with it. Thank you so much again. Safe travels.